If you want to know which brands manufacture products that will outlive you, do not ask marketing departments or influencer reviewers. Ask someone who has owned the same item for 30 years without replacement. Ask a professional who refuses to upgrade despite technological pressure. Ask a collector who inherits equipment from previous generations and uses it daily. These people understand something that modern consumer culture desperately tries to hide. There are still companies manufacturing products designed for permanence instead of planned obsolescence. These companies are increasingly invisible because they do not need aggressive marketing. Their customers spread the word through reputation alone. Their products sell themselves through durability. Today I am revealing the only 7 brands that refuse the planned obsolescence model and still manufacture equipment worthy of the forever philosophy. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose manufacturing deception and celebrate brands built to last lifetimes every single week. If you care about owning products that will function for generations, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the 7 brands that still honor the manufacturing philosophy of permanence. The manufacturing philosophy shift. 50 years ago, product longevity was competitive advantage. Companies built reputations on items lasting decades. A refrigerator lasting 30 years was normal. A vehicle lasting 20 years without major repairs was expected. A piece of furniture lasting generations was standard. Quality was measured by permanence. Then profit maximization became the only metric. Companies discovered that planned obsolescence was exponentially more profitable than durability. If a product lasts 3 years instead of 30, customers buy 10 times more throughout their lives. The profit difference is staggering. The engineering decision was made at the corporate level. Planned obsolescence became industry standard. The 7 companies I am about to reveal refused this path. They still manufacture for permanence. They still build products designed to outlast the original purchaser. Brand number 1, Patagonia Outdoor Clothing. Patagonia manufactures outdoor apparel with a philosophy that contradicts modern corporate thinking. They design products to last decades. Their jackets, pants, and gear are constructed with premium fabrics and reinforced seams. Patagonia offers a lifetime warranty on all products. If something breaks, they repair it free. If it cannot be repaired, they replace it. This warranty is only possible because their products are engineered for durability. Patagonia actively discourages excessive consumption. They run advertising campaigns telling customers to buy less and choose well. They offer a second-hand marketplace for used Patagonia gear. This contradicts everything modern corporations do. They profit from durability, not replacement cycles. A customer might buy one Patagonia jacket at $400 and wear it for 20 years. A competitor sells cheaper jackets, replaced every 2 years. The competitor makes more profit per customer. Yet Patagonia maintains this philosophy because the founder believes durability matters more than maximum profit. Their products become heirlooms passed through generations. Brand number 2. Danner Boots. Danner manufactures boots in Portland, Oregon using traditional construction methods unchanged for over 100 years. Their boots are stitched, not glued. The soles are replaceable. The leather is premium quality, sourced from ethical suppliers. A pair of Danner boots costs $250 to $350. Equivalent cheap boots cost $50 to $80. But the Danner boots function for 20 years with proper care. The cheap boots fail within 2 years. Danner refuses synthetic adhesives that degrade over time. They refuse plastic components that crack. They refuse cheap leather that peels and deteriorates. Professional loggers, military personnel, and outdoor workers carry Danner boots because they function in extreme conditions across decades. The boots do not fail. They improve with age as the leather develops character and patina. A Danner boot purchased in 1995 functions perfectly today. This is the durability standard Danner maintains. Brand number 3. Lodge Cast Iron Cookware. Lodge manufactures cast iron cookware in Tennessee using hand-pour casting and hand-finishing techniques unchanged for 150 years. Their skillets cost $30 to $50. They function for generations. A Lodge skillet purchased today will be used by your children and grandchildren without requiring replacement maintenance beyond basic seasoning. Cast iron improves with age. The seasoning layer deepens. The performance enhances. The cookware never fails. Competitors manufacture non-stick skillets that fail within 2 years. The coating peels. The handles crack. The cookware is discarded. Lodge refuses non-stick coatings. They refuse shortcuts. They manufacture cast iron the way it has been manufactured for centuries. The upfront cost is low. The durability is infinite. A large skillet becomes a family heirloom passed through generations. Brand number 4. Leica cameras. Leica manufactures cameras using precision engineering principles that seem outdated in the digital era. Their mechanical cameras function without batteries for 50 years. Their digital cameras are built with magnesium chassis and premium components designed to survive professional photography careers spanning decades. A Leica camera purchased in 1970 functions perfectly today. Most digital cameras from 2010 are technologically obsolete. Leica charges premium prices because they manufacture with standards that cost-cutting competitors abandoned. A Leica rangefinder costs $2,000. A comparable digital camera costs $1,500. But the Leica will function perfectly in 50 years. The digital camera will be obsolete in 10 years. The Leica remains compatible with century-old lenses and accessories. This is durability through engineering excellence. Brand number 5. Benchmade knives tools. Benchmade manufactures folding knives and fixed blades in Oregon using precision manufacturing. They refuse to outsource production to cheaper overseas facilities. Their facility produces hundreds of thousands of knives annually. All American-made Benchmade knives cost $100 to $250. Chinese equivalents cost $20 to $1.40. But the Benchmade blade maintains sharp edge for months of professional use. The Chinese blade dulls within weeks. Benchmade offers lifetime warranty on all products. If a knife breaks, they replace it free. This is only possible because they manufacture with standards ensuring durability. A professional outdoorsman carries Benchmade because the knife functions reliably when survival depends on it. One broken blade in the wilderness costs far more than the initial knife purchase. Benchmade refuses to compromise on quality. Brand number 6. Stihl Power Equipment. Stihl manufactures chainsaws and power equipment in Germany using precision manufacturing standards. Their chainsaws function for 20 to 30 years with basic maintenance. Competitors manufacture cheaper chainsaws that fail within 3 years. They use metal components where competitors use plastic. They use precision engineering where competitors use assembly line shortcuts. A Stihl chainsaw costs $400 to $700. A cheap equivalent costs $100 to $150, but the Stihl functions across decades. Professional loggers and arborists carry Stihl because failure is not an option. One broken chainsaw on a job costs far more than the equipment purchase price. Stihl manufactures for reliability across decades of professional use. Brand number 7. All-clad cookware. All-clad manufactures stainless steel cookware in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, using American manufacturing excellence. Their cookware is constructed with bonded stainless steel and aluminum cores, creating superior heat distribution. All-clad cookware costs $100 to $400 per piece. Non-stick alternatives cost $30 to $80. Yet all-clad cookware will function for 50 years without degradation. The stainless steel surface will never peel or chip. The handle will never loosen. The heat distribution will remain consistent across decades. Professional chefs rely on all-clad because consistency is essential. Temperature control must be predictable. All-clad delivers this across decades of professional use. A pan purchased today becomes a kitchen heirloom. The common thread. These 7 brands share identical philosophy. They manufacture for durability, not planned obsolescence. They charge premium prices because they use superior materials and manufacturing precision. They refuse cost-cutting that degrades quality. They offer lifetime warranties because their products actually last lifetimes. They build reputations through performance, not marketing. They profit from customer loyalty spanning generations. Why? Forever quality matters. These companies prove that durability remains viable if manufacturers prioritize quality over maximum profit margins. Every purchase supports manufacturing excellence. Every product purchased becomes an investment in permanence. Every item becomes an heirloom passed to future generations. This is the opposite of modern consumption culture. This is the original manufacturing philosophy. If you want to purchase products designed to last lifetimes, research these 7 brands. Yes, the initial cost is significantly higher than cheap alternatives. Yes, you sacrifice trendy aesthetics and convenience features, but you gain durability, reliability, and ownership that transcends consumer culture. You purchase once. You own for life. You pass the item to your children. You break the replacement cycle and reject planned obsolescence. Start building your forever collection. Invest in Patagonia clothing. Purchase Dana boots, Season Lodge, cast iron Karyaleka Kameta. Use Benchmade knives, operate steel equipment. Cook with all-clad pans. These items will function perfectly 50 years from now. Your grandchildren will use your equipment and understand that quality transcends generations. If you made it this far, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I expose manufacturing deception and celebrate permanent products every single week. Share this video with anyone interested in investing in durability over Let us build a community that rejects planned obsolescence and values products built to last forever.